In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable free listings in Google Merchant Center. By the end, you'll have free product visibility across Google surfaces like search and shopping without paying for ads, perfect for getting more eyeballs on your catalog. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. You're looking for the official Google page, so check that the result clearly comes from Google. This helps you avoid spoofed pages and ensures you're in the right place. If you plan to visit often, it's a good idea to bookmark the official Merchant Center homepage for quick access later. Click the correct URL from the search results. The official site will load the Merchant Center sign-in or dashboard. If your browser shows the domain on a secure Google address and the page design matches Google's style, you're in the right spot. Next, log in with the Google account tied to your business. Use the account connected to your existing Merchant Center if you have one. If you're new to Merchant Center on this account, you may see a short setup flow or updated terms. Go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts so you can proceed to the dashboard. Once you're in, go to Settings and choose Add-ons. Depending on your interface version, this may appear under a gear icon or in a Tools menu. If the layout looks slightly different, look for a section that manages programs or features you can enable. The Add-ons area is where program-based features, including marketing options, can be turned on or adjusted. When prompted, select a country and click Continue or Confirm. Choose the primary country where you sell and ship your products. This selection informs how your items are displayed and which currency and policies apply. If your business serves multiple countries, start with your main market. You can revisit regional settings later if needed, but make sure the country you pick aligns with your shipping and tax configurations. Under the Marketing section, ensure Free Listings is checked under Marketing Methods. This activates the program that allows your eligible products to appear organically on Google. If you see a confirmation message or program terms, accept them to proceed. In some cases, Google may prompt you to verify that your website is claimed or that your business information is accurate. These checks help keep your account in good standing. Remember, turning on free listings is the switch. Your products still need to meet Google's policies and have accurate data to show. After enabling, give the system some time to process and then review your product status and any diagnostics for best results. That's it. Your free listings are now enabled. Thanks for watching and happy selling.